All right, guys, welcome to our channel. So we are doing a messy bun today. Believe it or not, we're gonna start with a basic ponytail. Now, Victoria has long hair, so you can do you could do this on any length hair, I feel like, as long as it's beyond the shoulder. If you can do a ponytail in your hair, you can make this messy bun work. So we're gonna do a high one. You're gonna take the ponytail, you're gonna divide the hair into two sections just like this, and you're just gonna twist it. So see how I'm just twisting it? Now, my rule of thumb is to do it as tight as you can, because as soon as you add an elastic band on the bottom, it is gonna loosen up a bit. So make it really tight. I love how it kind of looks like a cute little old school lollipop at the fairs that you would get, right? Look at how cute that is. All right, so we're gonna get all the way to the very end, and I'm just gonna get an elastic and I'm gonna knot it together. Everybody always asks me recommendations. I recommend these small elastic bands. I think these are great for when you're doing hairstyles on your hair and also your daughter or your son's hair. Okay, so now you're gonna take the elastic and you're gonna just secure it at the end. Now watch when I'm done how the hair does. You can see it's starting to loosen up a little bit right now. Now Victoria's 6 and she's a wiggle worm, so she's got to stay still. So see that? So if actually this is going to be a hair tutorial later on, but this could be just like a cute pony all on its own. But to do the messy bun, you're going to take the ponytail now that we just twisted, and you're going to go up to the elastic bands, and I'm going to just twist it around the elastic band. So you're gonna twist it right around, nice and easy. Now, I know it doesn't look super messy yet, but I'm gonna show you how it does. Victoria, hand mommy, actually, give me that scrunchie. Now, you can hold this in place with bobby pins. I'm gonna use a really good scrunchie right now that's tight, that will secure it in place. And then you're gonna take this cute little wrap bun now, and you're gonna fan it out just to make it puffy and to make it look a little messy, right? That's the whole point of like a messy bun, is it's supposed to look like it took you no time. You tossed it up in your hair and that was it. So look at how simple and cute that is. Really nice messy bun. You could do this on the very top of your head. You could do it on the bottom. But again, just keep taking the hair and just pulling it out just to give it like that messy boho look. And you're super duper chic and cool, just like that out the door. Very easy to do. Anybody can do this. Rocking a messy bun.